Goeienaand, good evening, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. And you know, there's one thing that is just typified right through the ANC cadres, the politicians, their families and so on. They have absolutely no respect for the law because they know that they are above the law. And no better example than Thandi Modise, the National Assembly Speaker. Yeah, the person who's supposed to control the parliamentarians and the parliament. She's the one who can kick them out if they misbehave. That's the power that this woman has got in government. But guess what? Well, she is clearly above the law. Lobby group AfriForum says an arrest warrant has been reserved for Thandi Modise, National Assembly Speaker, after she reportedly failed to appear in the Potchefstroom Regional Court on charges of animal cruelty on Tuesday. This follows the announcement by AfriForum's private prosecution unit in 2019 that it would privately prosecute Modise on behalf of the National Council of the Society of the Prevention of Cruelty of Animals, or the NSPCA. The magistrate in the case reportedly reserved a warrant for her arrest on Tuesday, pending her appearance in court on the 31st of March. Now that's actually during the lockdown, so that's going to be interesting. AfriForum is accusing her of leaving her farm in Northwest unattended, causing the death of more than 50 pigs and other animals, including geese, ducks, sheep and goats, in 2014. Now, to give you a bit of the background, complaints were made about this absolute terrible animal abuse by the Speaker, and the police had the docket, but it kind of got lost and nothing got done, and you know, it's just one of those things. This is how the ANC work. They are above the law. What happened was AfriForum heard about this, they stepped in, got all the evidence, did the work that the police were supposed to do, and that's why this court case is going ahead. Not because the police service had anything to do with it. No, they just looked the other way. In October 2019, the head of AfriForum's private prosecution unit, Gerinel, informed the court sitting before Magistrate Ben Mtebele that the matter was ready to go to trial. He said pre-trial issues had been resolved and the unit would hand over a case docket to the defense. At the time, Nell said provisional trial dates had been set for the 24th to 26th of March. According to AfriForum, Modise's legal representative argued that President Cyril Ramaphosa asked her to help during the COVID-19 pandemic. AfriForum said the magistrate wanted reasons why Modise could not delegate her duties. Well, clearly, if that was the case, then the advocate for this woman should have actually put in a request to the court. It doesn't give her the reason to just not pitch. Modise will have to explain on the 31st of March why she had been absent, after which the prosecution can hopefully commence. It is unacceptable for Modise not to appear in court today, that was Tuesday, and simply arguing that the reason for her absence is her office, said Andrew Leask, the unit's head investigator. No one is above the law, not even the Speaker of the National Assembly. AfriForum's private prosecution unit is looking forward to the commencement of the hearing on 31st of March. In 2019, Modise said she had deliberately kept quiet about the animal cruelty case after a paper reported about it. Modise said she had been closely watching all the role players in the case and believed the delays in the matter were deliberate in order to weaken her chances of winning the matter. She said, "They drag the case until you know that you cannot afford lawyers and you cannot stand by yourself. It is deliberately being dragged out. But we come from Umkonto, where Sizwe. We were taught patience, discipline. So that discipline is still there. It will persevere. We will conquer," she said. No, what she's actually doing is she's breaking the law. And now she's claiming it's going to be too expensive. I think I've heard that somewhere before. Wasn't it that CEO from South African Airways who couldn't afford a taxi ride to the court, even though she was still CEO of several companies because of this and earning an income from that with hundreds of thousands of rand. Yeah, this is called black privilege. Anyway, in August 2019, the NSPCA launched a crowdfunding campaign to assist with the costs of AfriForum's case against Modise. A request for comment has been sent to parliamentary spokesperson Moloto Matapo and will be added once received. In an earlier statement, Matapo said Ms. Modise respects the rule of law and the principle of equality before the law. However, she regards the motives of this grouping as curious, as a smack of abuse of judicial processes for narrow political ends. What a load of crap! If that had been a white farmer, with all those animals dying because they were neglected, guess what? He would have been convicted 5 years ago. He would be behind bars right now. But no, the ANC, as I said, they're above the law. But maybe we're going to catch the speaker because she's got no wriggle room left. All right, guys, please remember to subscribe to be kept informed. Ring the bell for the updates. Please like this video. Please share this video. And above all, please stay safe.